Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It is Monday. Today we're starting to attempt a week in my life. So this week is pretty much like the full week without any school, the only full week I have without any school related stuff, because starting next week we have meetings. So yeah, come along with me for this last week of what I would call real summer. Yeah, the last week of summer. So hope you guys enjoy. If you are new, hi, I'm Shakay. I normally do vlogs, but sometimes I do lifestyle and beauty content. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. So it is currently 7:54 right now. Yeah, you see that wallpaper here? I am gonna have to get rid of it soon. Like, I'm planning on doing like a little phone reset thing. Yeah, because the summer is about to end. So even though my hands are tired, even though it says summer never ends, it's gonna end. Sad, but yeah. Anyways, so I'm just getting up. I woke up from like before 7 o'clock, but I was in bed just chilling, scrolling on my phone and whatnot, because if the summer is almost done, you're gonna make use of it, because it's almost done. And when it's done, I have to get up from like before daylight outside the wall. See what they're bright now? I normally get up for school like about used to 4 o'clock, because I had like a lot of things to do. This term, I don't know, I'm gonna play around with it, because what I want to do this term is I want to get back into my health grind. So I need to start working out again and all of that. So I don't know like what time I'll be waking up. I haven't decided. I'm gonna use the first week like to test things and so on, because I like being early at work before like anybody start coming to work. So I normally get to work like about 7:30 or before, so work starts at 8. So I'm gonna play around with it. So yeah, I do have my hair to wash because we have somewhere to go on Wednesday, and this is heavy, y'all. We have somewhere to go on Wednesday, so I said I was going to comb my hair today because I have my sister's here to comb tomorrow, and my hair ain't not that bad. My hair just needs cream, but I don't want to cream it before I go to the beach, so I'm gonna wait until after the beach to cream it. So yes, I'm going to the beach on Wednesday, on church trip. So yeah, so I'll be doing that today. I also need to clean the kitchen, some parts of the kitchen. I'm trying to go through like the cupboard, and so now I'll film that because it's a tedious work. I'm gonna have time for you to sit down and video and make just can't bother. So that now go in the vlog, people. Me just telling us what I do. Alright. So yeah, right now I'm gonna go into the kitchen, go look about breakfast and all of that. So I'll carry you for the breakfast section of it and all of that. Yeah.
This is how I feel and I can't stop. Opposites attract, I need you non-stop. Cause I know it ain't easier. We can still make it
So I have to take that medication for sinus, and then I have another medication to take afterwards. So I'm gonna wash my face, brush my teeth, and then go prepare breakfast. Alright, so I'm in my bathroom. I'm gonna brush my teeth and wash my face. And if you guys have never, if you're new to my channel, yeah. Right now I'm using the Sensodyne toothpaste. I was told by my dentist about a year ago that I need to be using this because of how my teeth are and whatever. I don't feel it because I have sensitive teeth. Like if my bite ice or something too hot, I will feel it in my teeth. So yeah, it is needed. I don't know if it helps, I really don't know. And I do prefer my Colgate because when I brush it feels cleaner. Who knows? I don't know. Anyways, so I need to clear out that pan, people. See the pan over there, so I have my something in it. I need to clear it out. Like it's so clear. I need to use this morning. It has a lot of stuff that I don't think is necessary right now in it. Having them in the use. I don't know. I'll try it also so then. But yeah, I need to clean it out. Oh well. Alright, so now I'm going to be using my Cetaphil. I put like up on my face first. I don't know if this is a waste though. I normally do this in the night though, because I don't think like in the mornings I'm gonna have time for it, but I haven't done it in a few days. Honestly, I've been neglecting my skincare, to be honest, so yeah. So I've been neglecting my skincare because I even have something I need to put on my face at night time and I don't use it. Anyways, I need to replace the battery for this, so it no longer spin. Well, I don't think it. I thought it was finished. I guess not. But I really need to replace the battery for this. So I need to see if I realize it's slow, so it's not working well. I need to go get a battery for it. See, done. Oh. Alright guys, I'm done with my little skincare. I've changed. Yeah, I'm gonna know, as I said I was going to do. See my hair now. Yeah, as I said I was going to do, I'm gonna get breakfast ready. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna do that. Hi guys, so it's 2:18 right now and I'm not finished with the kitchen. I've been on it from like after 10. It's a tedious thing. Not gonna finish it today. I'm gonna have to finish it like tomorrow or probably even another day because I have to stop so I can get my hair done. I'm gonna have to comb my hair today and then tomorrow start again comb my sister's hair about probably the same time today, like I'm gonna start mine today. And then we have beach trip Wednesday. Thursday, what do I have Thursday? I said I was going to do some work related stuff, some lesson plans, something. So I don't know if I'll get to clean anything. If I don't get to finish tomorrow, I'll see what is left and see if we can, you know, put in a little bit of work on Thursday, and then on Friday I have to go Maypen, so it's quite some stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to the kitchen. I'm gonna try to finish like the drawer part and then stop for the day. When I draw them I give a chop if you go back in. So we just give up and say when we don't eat, come on hungry. So hungry girl is an angry girl, y'all know the thing. So yes, yeah, so I'm gonna get something to eat and I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, it is now 5:08. Yeah, after 5. So let me work in the kitchen, Jesus, I'm not done. So I have done quite a lot. I did all of the top cupboards and I did the drawer, so it's just the bottom and then like the pantry area of the kitchen. I leave the pantry area because I clean that quite often, so I'm gonna leave that part there for last because I need easier to clean. So yeah, I'm tired, so I'm gonna shower now guys. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna comb my hair right now. So the next time you see me, my hair will be combed, hopefully. Remember my head, right? Right. Anyways, so I'll see you guys in a bit. This is the hair. Yeah, same. I told you guys I was just gonna clean right down because Mega Beach, the aim is to be able to look and look presentable after. So yeah. Good morning guys, it is it is 10:33. Had breakfast some minutes ago. I'm gonna continue with the kitchen. Hopefully not hear me because it's so breezy outside. I'm loving to hear the breeze. I don't really feel it that much, but I love hear it. So yeah, so I'm gonna do the kitchen, then I have my my hair done as I showed you guys last night. It is for the tomorrow morning and whatever. So yeah, then I have my sister here to do after I'm done the kitchen and all that. So yes, I have a full day. We'll be vlogging just like yesterday. I'll see you guys later.
I'm sorry.
She complain about JPS, but yeah.
Alright guys, so it's like probably 6:03 right now. I think I texted you guys from morning, but we're not having fun. Anyways, people don't want pictures, so I'm gonna take some picture and then enjoy a few little more minutes because I'm gonna leave out of the house about 3:30 or so, and then I'm not sure, but anyway, picture. Lucky. Let me come in the video and say hi. Hey. The people wanna look on my bun up more. Wanna look on the mark.
Time, get a burn up here, tap around. You just
I've
stand
been
it.
tanned.
The long sleeve people is working for me.
But I don't care. I do it for style. Nigga. If it's extra. Hi Sherry, say hi to the vlog. Alright guys, we're leaving. We're leaving at night also. You sure? Feel nice. They can't smell no butts. Them beard. You always want ice. Yeah, my beard. Ice addict. Oh. Lord Jesus. Let me see.
Hi guys, so this is not the same day, as you guys can tell, different day and everything. So I just wanted to like explain to you guys about the beach that we went to. So we went to Harmony Bay. Is it Harmony Bay Beach in Montego Bay? Basically it's a free beach, but as you saw, I was showing you guys the car park thing. You have to pay to park there, and then you're going to the beach. It's a beach and a park, so you're going to the beach. Beach is free, the park is also free to use. However, if you need like, what do you call those, the beach chairs, you have to pay for those. The umbrellas, you also have to pay for those. And I think that is kind of hard because they hardly have any trees that are fully grown. Their trees aren't fully grown, so their trees aren't yet fully grown, so the little trees that they have, kind of hard. If you don't go early, kind of hard for you to find a cool shade. But yes, we didn't end up buying any of the umbrellas because honestly I didn't think it worth it. They are so small for the $1,000, so it not really cover much. So yeah, we didn't rent any of the umbrellas, but we did rent the chairs, which was like $500 for one. So yeah, it was a great time at the beach. The beach also had food areas, so it have different areas where you can go and buy food. It have Devon House ice cream. Yeah, it have ice cream, they have patty, they have food, they have burger. Well, we went, the burger place wasn't open, but yeah, so it have all of that. It was a great experience. Loved the beach, pretty park, pretty, yeah. So just wanted to, you know, tell you guys about the beach. Yeah, so that's about the beach. Let's get on to the rest of the vlog. Good morning guys. Oh god, I look rough. It is, what time now? I don't know, 9:01 a.m. Kind of just get up out of bed, fix up my room, get everything back into everything. It's when I do that, it's like I don't feel like me need to reset from each day. So pack away other things and put the bags and whatnot. So yeah, ready for the day. So yes, yesterday was lovely, as you guys saw. Hopefully this vlog not too long because it's supposed to be a week in my life, and but sure knows that this video probably reach out 20 minutes already. Anyways, just bear with me. So today I did say I was going to continue with the kitchen today. So I look like we're tired, but just yeah. Supposed to continue with the kitchen today. I also have to pull up my hair and wash it. No, I said the cut something was going. So plus like I swam yesterday, so sun and all sorts of things supposed to for bed. So I'll swat to everybody. So I need to pull out my hair, wash it, plus I have practice later. So that's the agenda for today. So just want to like update you guys. I don't think I'm gonna film that much today, don't know, but we'll see what happens for the day. So yeah, it's Friday. Alright guys, so it is the next day. I know you saw me in this outfit already, but it's because I was editing and realized I didn't tell you guys about the beach, so I'm gonna make sure I'll be telling about the beach. And then right now I'm about to end the vlog. So yesterday light go away, as I showed you guys in the end of the vlog. Light went. It's still not back. Yeah, it's still kind of gloomy outside, as you guys can see. Yeah, kind of gloomy outside, but we are just gonna end this vlog here, hopefully starting the next vlog next week, and that will be like my back to school series kind of vlog, so stay tuned for that. So yes, thank you guys for spending my last week of officially summer, no school related stuff, this week with me. I really enjoyed filming, and I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.